Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll talk about Microsoft Azure AI Vision. We are going to use Azure's computer vision service to analyze an image for us. I use computer vision and AI vision interchangeably. Whether you hear either of them, just remember I'm referring to the same service. AI vision is the newer name, but you'll still see computer vision listed under Azure's AI and machine learning services. Let's get started. We'll begin by logging into the Azure portal. You'll need an eligible account to access it. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up. You might see computer vision right in front of you on the screen. If not, head to the top left corner and open the side menu. Click on All Services and then you'll see the AI and Machine Learning group at the top. Computer Vision will be listed under that group. Click on the Computer Vision service and then click Create. At this point, you'll see a form to fill out. We have an MCT in our team, so we are using an MSDN platform subscription to proceed. But if you don't have a subscription yet, I strongly recommend checking out the Azure's website for free subscription options. Azure offers these to help newcomers explore and get started with its popular services. I'll include a link in the description that's valid at the time this video was recorded. You can group these services you use. If you already have a resource group, select it or create a new one to continue. Next, choose the region where your service will run and give your service a name of your choice. I'll use a free pricing tier which allows up to 20 calls per minute and a total of 5,000 calls per month. Agree to the terms and click Next. Unless you need specific configurations for networking or identity, you can go ahead with the default settings. Finally, click Create to set up the service. The deployment of the service will start immediately. As you can see, it has completed successfully. Just a quick note. In rare cases, even if the deployment says it's complete, the service might not appear in the portal right away. If that happens, just give it a moment, it should show up shortly. Click Go to Resource to view the service details. Here, you'll find your keys and endpoint. There are multiple ways to access your services in the portal. Later on, you can return to this service by clicking All Resources and selecting the service by name. Or you can follow the path, All Services and then Computer Vision to view all your existing computer vision services. We are done with the Azure portal for now. Let's open Visual Studio Code to start our example. Click Create .NET Project, then select Console App from the list. If you don't see the Create .NET Project button here, check out the video link below. Give your project a name, then follow my steps for the configuration. Once it's created, open Program CS from the left-hand side. Now, install the Computer Vision NuGet package just like I'm doing. Next, define a constant to store your subscription key. Remember, we got the key from the Service Details page in the Azure portal. Copy that key and paste it into your project. Then define another constant to hold your endpoint. Again, copy the endpoint from the portal and paste it right into your project. Import the library we just installed. Let's start by creating the computer vision client. We'll use a do-while loop here, so later on the console we'll keep asking for a new image to analyze until we decide to stop. We'll expect a URL for the image that the user wants to analyze. So let's read the URL input from the console. Then we'll send this URL to the computer vision service and get back a description of the image. We'll do that using the DescribeImage method of the computer vision client, the one we defined earlier. Use a for each loop to get a description for all the objects that computer vision detects in the image, if there is more than one. By objects, I mean things like a person, a tree, and a cat, all in the same image. We want computer vision to describe each of them individually. Along with each description, we'll also get a confidence level, which shows how certain the model is about its prediction. We'll format the confidence level using P2 to display it with 2 decimal points. Then display the descriptions on the console, each one along with its confidence level. This way, you'll see what computer vision detected and how confident it is about each description. The computer vision service also provides additional insights such as tags, objects, categories, faces, colors, and brands detected in the image. Let's use these to get more detailed information about our image. To do this, we'll use the AnalyzeImage method of the client. For each tag returned by the method, we'll print it along with its confidence level. Next, we'll do the same for each object detected in the image, listing them with their corresponding confidence levels. I also use console write line to add some spacing between each analysis group. This helps make the output easier to read and visually clearer. Let's also collect the categories provided by the computer vision service and print them out. Just like before, we'll include the confidence level for each category in the output. You can also analyze faces to get information like age and gender. I'll include the necessary code for that here, but I won't be using an image with a person whose face is fully visible in the upcoming examples. Feel free to try it out yourself with a suitable image. Let's also collect the color information provided about the image and print it out. Lastly, I want to display the brand information returned by the client as well. Run the project. Visual Studio Code might prompt you to select the debugger for the first time. Just follow my lead on that. The service expects a URL of the image. Let's try it out. Copy the URL of this image and paste it into the console. As you can see, we now have a description of the image along with tags related to it, each with their confidence levels. Let's try another image. Copy the URL of this image and paste it into the console. As you can see, we now have a description of the image along with tags related to it, each with their confidence levels. Let's try another image. Copy the URL of this image and paste it into the console. Computer vision describes this one as a person holding a camera. You can also see the tags listed here. Let's try out the brand detection feature. I'll use an image that includes Apple's logo. As you can see, it successfully identifies the brand. I'll use the word exit to end the program. Right now, if we type a regular word like that, we'll get an error saying we provided a text instead of a valid URL. To fix this, we'll first check if the input is exit before trying to analyze it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content and like the video to support us.